Hi, it's Hard Reset, and today I'll show you how to use function keys on HP ELITEBOOK 855. So, the F1 after the click opens our help site on browser. Mostly when you click just the function keys it will work, but if it don't work for you, then you need to hold the Fn button at the bottom left corner. F2 does nothing, as you can see. The F3 and F4 should adjust your brightness, but I don't know why it is not working for me. The F5 mutes. Okay, now it's working. F5 mutes and unmutes the volume. F6 lowers and F7 make the volume go up. Then the F8 mutes our microphone and unmutes it. The F9 changes the keyboard backlight. F10 is just the insert button. F11 enables the airplane mode and disables it. And F12 changes our screen when we are connected to, for example, TV. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.